Ayan, Maria.
This is dedicated to Mother Tess.
Yes.
Practice lang po ito.
I would give up everything before I separate myself from you. After so much suffering, I finally found an honest truth. I was all by myself for the longest time, so cold inside. And the hurt from the heart, it would not subside. I felt like dying until you saved my life. Thank God I found you. I was lost without you. My every wish and every dream somehow became reality. When you brought the sunlight, completed my whole life. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude, 'cause Father, we're so thankful I found you.
Diba, biglaan yun, Mother?
I would give you everything. There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do to ensure your happiness. I'll cherish every part of you. Without you, I can't survive the one I've tried. If you're keeping me warm each and every night, I'll be alright. 'Cause I need you in my life. Thank God I found you. I was lost without you. My every wish and every dream somehow became reality. When you the sunlight completed my whole life, I'm overwhelmed with gratitude. 'Cause Father, we're so thankful I found you.
Ay, mahirap na yun, Mother. Okay yan. Mahirap yung Mother. Ito daw, next na, next. Kasi mahirap yun eh.
Kanya-kanyang step na to, ha?
Oo.
Actually,
Tama pala, hip-hop nga pala to. Ang tagal na. Michael B. pala gano'n, di pala. Kaya pala iba pala hinihintay. Shout! Ganda kanya na to, girl. Parang ito. One Direction ang babae.
Oh, will you bow this friend who's like no other?
Yan lang siya, wave.
Since the day she walked into my life, it's more than a sister. Every day, every minute, there's a shower of love I feel. Something I used to just imagine. I tell you now, it's all for real. That's why I shout for joy, sing His praises, lift my voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy, sing His praises, lift my voice unto the Lord. Hi, girl.
It's the birthday celebration.
In case you forgot it, it's a free gift, you know. It's been an open invitation for every man or woman, every boy or girl, people from every nation, looking up unto the heavens, praising God for what He's done. Ooh, I can hear the chorus singing.
Di ba may
Singing him their native land. You gotta shout for joy, sing His praises, lift your voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy, tell Him all
Oh,
about
then.
it. Lift your voice and let Him know. Shout you start. Like he said, when you seek, you shall find him. Sing again if you want to refuse. Everything's a gain and nothing to lose. I believe you know just what I mean. Rap! I'm telling you, rap it! Wait, hindi ka mapakinggan!
Sino yung rap?
The west, east, north, and south. People will think I'm just running my mouth.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna work. I'm never gonna give up telling people what they should know. Know it. Like you said, when you see, you shall find him. Sing again if you wanna refuse. Everything again and nothing to lose. I can tell you all about it, but all you gotta do is say Jesus is Lord and you know He's right for you. Sing His praises, lift your voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy, tell Him all about it. Lift your voice and let Him know. Shout for joy, sing His praises, lift your voice.